The training was organized by the Institute for Media and Society, the sponsorship of the European Union, as part of its support program for democratic governance in Nigeria. The workshop anchor and a consultant for the Institute for Media and Society and an associate professor of mass communication at the Anambra University, Oka, Dr. Ifoma Dunu, spoke on the role of the media in reporting subjects and persons that are perceived to be underreported, including women, children, youths, and people living with disabilities.
Oftentimes, the passion, what it says, come to play when we consider these things. Who to use and who to omit, and what and how to say them in our districts. That is our problem.
Declaring the workshop open, the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the ABS, Chief Uche Nwara, said the program was apt in view of the problems confronting media practitioners and applauded the Institute for Media and Society and the European Union for bringing the training to the doorstep of the establishment.
The program will be interactive, ask you any questions, think that will help us to improve and what we do for our service. So I want to hand over the microphone to Director of Program who will make a comment, and the DAC will make a comment, and after that, if you start the program. Thank you.
Some staff of the establishment who attended the training, including the Director of News and Current Affairs, Mr. Gabe Obaleze, and his program's counterpart, Mrs. Kate I.G. Okeke, made significant contributions toward redefining reportorial models, especially with the forthcoming elections.
This is a very important aspect of what we're doing because we will continue to learn. That's why we're very happy that we have our media resource person. We want to promise that we are going to put into practice because that actually what matters.
We as media practitioners need to know our responsibilities, so that at the end of the training we will be able to articulate all that happened here today into the repertoire of knowledge that we already have.
In Oka, Daniel Eziwe, ABS News.